YouTube, man, what's going on, bro? We back again with another video, and today, man, I'm gonna show y'all niggas how to make the stretch jeans, bro. Real simple, real easy, nothing too hard, bro. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. But before we get straight to this video, man, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, click that notification bell so y'all can see my future uploads. And we gonna get straight to it, bro. Forget all that talking. Alright, so boom, as y'all niggas can see, bro, here the jeans here right here, bro. I know these jeans tight as hell, so do not get on my ass in the comments about these jeans. These are ATL jeans, bro. So yeah, bro, this is a little 360. I don't know why I'm giving y'all niggas a 360. This shit kind of gay. But yeah, bro, there go the jeans. And yeah, that's it. As y'all can see, I got my Sharpie marker. So what I'm finna do right here, I'm finna line up where I wanna cut my jeans at and make my little rips or whatever the fuck y'all wanna call it. Distress my jeans at. So yeah, as y'all can see, boom, boom, boom. I'm just lining my stuff up right here. So boom, as y'all can see, I'm done with lining them up where I wanna cut them at. And yeah, this how I want it. So boom, bro, right here, I'm gonna put the cardboard in the jeans so I won't accidentally cut my jeans up from the back side. So yeah. So right here, y'all wanna grab y'all knife. I grab my scissors, my bad. So what you wanna do with the knife, you kinda wanna stab the jeans a little bit so y'all can like be able to cut it, because I don't know, my scissors wasn't really sharp enough to like stab, as y'all can see right there. Boom, I'm just gonna cut the line and boom, look at it. Easy and simple, nothing too hard. So as y'all can see, I'm done cutting up the jeans. When you get done with that, you wanna repeat the process over and over until y'all get done cutting up the little lines or whatever y'all wanna call it, and yeah. So right here, y'all wanna grab y'all knife and y'all wanna kinda like stab the jeans a little bit and like go up a little bit, as y'all can see right here. I don't know how to explain it, but this is what y'all wanna do, as y'all can see. Y'all wanna put pressure on the jeans, and y'all wanna just keep on like kinda like stabbing it a little bit. It's gonna take a long time. My hand was hurting. I ain't even gonna lie, I had to take like 15 breaks, bro. But my arm was hurting so bad. But bro, I'm happy I got the job done, so yeah. As y'all saw right there, I ain't really get done with the hole on the bottom. I had went on and moved to the one on top because the one on top was a little smaller, and I wanted to get that one out the way. But y'all wanted to do the same little process I told y'all with the last little hole. So yeah, bro. So as y'all can see right here, I had flipped the jeans inside out because I thought I was gonna like speed up the process a little bit, but really the process didn't kind of speed up. It was the same. It was basically I was basically doing the same thing over and over. But yeah, bro, y'all can do it however y'all want it, but I prefer doing it joint outside because it's gonna pop out and it's gonna kind of look way better. So yeah. So boom, as y'all can see, we done with the jeans, bro. We did them hoes right there, as y'all can see. And yeah, bro, I'm gonna show y'all the little product. So boom, bro, as y'all can see, here goes the jeans. I mean, I tried, I could have did a little better. This is my second time doing this. The first jeans, I'm gonna try to show y'all the first jeans. I don't know if I have them, but yeah, here you go. Man, bro, if y'all boys like this video, man, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, click that post notification bell, and I'll see y'all on another banger, man. No cap.